Hello, in today's video I want to show you how to create a design space profile or edit it, and also how to share your project from Design Space. So let's get started. So first let's go to the top right. You'll see your handle. Mine is I Love Handmade Stuff. To the right of it there is a drop down button. So if you click this button you'll see the word profile. Once you click profile, you'll get into the profile in your design space. As you can see, the top right, there's a button, a pencil button or icon that you can change your background, or you can click on this one, which is to change your profile picture. If you are not set up like mine is, click edit profile, and here you can change the visibility of your profile to change it from private to public so others can follow you and get inspiration from your page. Next, let's go to sharing a project. So in my design space, I already had this project made. So in order for you to share this project, you will have to use Design Space images. So using Design Space images will allow you to share projects that others can use to cut. If you uploaded anything or use system fonts, they would not be able to share. They would not be able to use the link that you shared. They could see it, but they would not be able to customize it. So let me show you how to save and share this file for a friend to cut if they have Design Space and if they have access as well. If they don't have access, they'll have to pay a fee for the images that are used. So since I already saved it before, I'll save it again, and I'll call this 2. So once you've saved it, where do you find this link? You'll go to your home and then my stuff, and then here you'll see all the projects. You can share the link, copy the private link here. Now if you wanted to make it go public, you have to add photo. I already added mine here, and then it allows me to share it with other people by clicking the share button and click copy. The perks of making it public is so that people can see it in your profile, and as I showed you earlier, oops, wrong button. If you go click profile, you'll see it right here. So you just have to follow the instruction on the screen, and you can make it public and share it with folks, and folks can see it on your profile. Hope you found this video useful.